I'm going to go over this Lethal Blaze rod that I have here. Now, I have the Lethal Blaze reel right here, and I partnered up with the Versus, but this is a very light, flexible tip, as you guys can see right here. This one is a medium heavy, and I got mine in a 7-foot medium heavy here. Here's the kind of the little like hang tag that was on it right there. You can see Lethal Blaze, and there's all of the different sizes. Mine is the 7.2 fast, medium heavy, 10 to 20 pound line. And it can go from a 1/2 ounce to a 1 ounce weight, and the guides are a 9-to-1, and the pieces are a 2-piece. You get 2 tips with it. The eyelets look really good. I really like this kind of burnt orange color. Right here is a hook grabber, so you got a hook grab right there. We'll do some casting. I'll show you this thing in action because I think you're gonna like what you see with this little guy, because I've been very impressed with the Lethal Blaze series. Let's get them together. Check out what I put on here. So this is the Lunker Hunt swimming turtle. You can see that it has a trailer hook right there and 2 hooks right here, and the little feet actually spin, which is kind of cool. And when you want to use this for a top rod, and that's what I was talking about, this is like a solid rod. When you look at the bend on it, it's pretty tough on its bend, so this is a great top water. Watch the casting on this Lethal Blaze rod cast. Look at that distance on that thing. That is so nice, everybody. And then when you bring this little turtle in, you'll just kind of like pull it, wait, pull it, then wait. Now it's simulating like it's swimming across the lake. So it's like it dropped in on that side and it's gonna swim across. We're in the spring, and I'll try to do a couple of top waters and a couple of jig rods, so you can really get a cast on this. Now, ideally, if you're gonna use this little turtle and frogs, you want to use these around a lot of grass and around a lot of coverage like this. But you know what? For the purpose of this video, I just want to show y'all this rod that I use. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Lethal Blaze. See you on the next video.